Hey guys, I'm Cory acting Roads and Hydraulics Manager, and we thought it'd be a good demonstration to show some great 3D modelling software that the council has at its arsenal. This gives you a good visualisation of if we didn't have the flood levees in place, how it would impact the city, seaport and outskirts of around Infirmary area. This level was taken from, so the level of this water here was taken from a level gauge at 3.3 metres on the Charles Street Bridge. A lot of you have probably seen that level gauge, and it just gives you some idea if the levee infrastructure wasn't in place, floodgates, all this earth levee, concrete levees, how it would actually impact. Yeah, so just to wrap it up, that's just a good visualisation of why we need our levee system, why the infrastructure is extremely important, and yeah, the importance of maintaining it as well.